got Zlatan and Pila in the building. Make some noise for Zlatan! Jamo!
It's Kelpie vibes.
Okay, Jamo. Where the money, na 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 na. I say 1, 2, 3, money. Oh yeah, who make the money rush us like you know me. Give God, it's a one get the award. Baby, we should have no set peace and naughty. Aye. Because I swear God, if I could kill it, you are not time for this, what's your excuse? It is my better that we can do. We are better than you feel like coffee. Feel like well, you are not a sorry. Oh yeah, who did? Sometimes you feel like when I know I did it. One more, we love one more, we should have been able to get it. Oh yeah, hallelujah. Back in the days that they used me to what's some reason, man? Give me that yo. And now they look good, and they let yo. Alright, over. Nice. Jamo. Say, alright, over. I tell you how for you. Alright, let's go. See, jump. Jumbo, Yahoo. Jumbo, Yahoo, singing, knowing, am I Yahoo? Maybe you have me on the fight, not the Yahoo. Don't contact me. I'm money after you can stop. Go there. Olha o magia cantaru, olha o magato só de ser. Carinho com a caru, vive. Olha olha o magia cantaru. Magato comigo está de ser. Carinho com a caru, olha o fresh. Pode você chegar no, lá music verificado. Jumbo, see, trouble. I don't go anywhere again. Okay, so I will take you to Ikorodu, take you to Ojalaga, take you to Keti. Take it sound.
Take you to America.
Take
Take you
it.
to London.
Yeah, take you outside. Hey, baby. Every day la vida America holiday. My people, how will I get it? Every day la vida America holiday. Coffee, wings and daddy. How about the Emmanuel, and it goes over. Oh my God, wings and daddy. How about the God bless you, everyone. Oh my God, I'm a kid.
What's going on tonight, Industry Line? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, go! Jojo, you say what? They gonna say, I'm making it. I say Jojo, okay. Yeah. You don't know.
People say the align. Cause it's short time ago, we get pie. I'm not trying to make you all the pie. My people say shit. People say the align. Cause it's short time ago, we get pie. I'm not trying to make you all the pie.
Should I tell you something? Tell us it like to argue. Should you say you want to judge me? You know go like me, I catch you. See, cause it go hard for you. I'm blessed for me. I don't get to know me. You don't believe me.
People say the align. Cause it's short time ago, we get pie. I'm not trying to make you all the people say the align. Cause it's short time ago, we get. I'm not trying to make you all the.
Where's my Royal Majesty? Where's my Royal Majesty? Cinderella. Hey, remember. Say. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. I say alright. You say what? Say yeah. I don't feel move until I see your light. I cry a river if I fit one light. Oh no, baby, I love you. Yeah. Say now your cruiser. Show me that your miracles will last. Take me higher, you wanna feel alright. See, if I don't want to, baby, go say it. And I don't want to be, but I wanna be free. Show me. If I don't want to, baby, go say it. Hold on. I say one day. If you see the man, you say what? Royal Majesty. God bless you, man. I love you, bro. Shout out to you, man. God bless you, man. God bless you. Thanks for coming out tonight. Make some noise and problems in the building. And it's about to get spiritual tonight, man. I want to say big thanks to everyone that came up here tonight. I'm honest to come this far simply by the grace of God, man. I respect everybody. Shout out to SJW in the building. Shout out to my team, Longity Promotion. And shout out to Team Reda in the building. Shout out to Odu Arida in the building. Area, what's in the play? Shout out to Mr. Martin in the building, man. God bless you.
It's Victor Edinana, yeah.
The key where they find party, I'm not supposed to fear dance.
And
as I come with my red, let them keep me short. You are not on the way, some days as you know, hurry to dance. How you do you dance? You dance, la inside out. I do yes motivation. That's not where I go be lost. I saw my biggest motivation. I don't say I don't see push up. I saw my biggest motivation. I don't say I also want to pay. I saw my biggest motivation. I don't say don't want to 2 seconds of the motivation. Not 2 seconds. Really 2 seconds. Take break every day, boss. I will not pay. This year we gon' give all our problem. When the girls they use my best, they go to them. They get their money as you, not to spray the money anyhow like another for perfume. It's such passion. And you get food on them. Now you get problem. Don't worry when nobody, so don't they bother me. Only for the press. Everywhere hard I know you know easy bros. Even for hellfire, now they must sit down there. Respect you get from here, we never connect. The first thing in the area, best data. Street, now general market, you feel big too. Suspension, I won't go rough, the rest. Motivation, and that's not where I will be lost. I'm my biggest motivation. Don't live now with no solution, baby now. I don't know see how she look at me. Don't say there is nothing on the way, I ain't been now. We clap for you, man. See, I don't know. Turn this boy to ask boy, but the Lua not free. He too love the boy. No joy, my guy, not in the street. If trust they there was up enough in a good fish. I don't mind the opposite there for workshop. I'm not be apprentice, I get work to shop. I'm not a proud of but I'm waiting man go do. Picking the one side, I'm being on the shop. Go to you, my boss, get my brother, make it here finish. We want it to happen to a man, I see finish. When I die, I see I try for my grave life. Now market and everybody here come. Oh man, the rubbish for me, stay my eye don't see. Even this water when I cry, don't feel come water. I know they complain, it's wrong to give me footage. Tomorrow get better, we show for your pattern. I lie. The key where they find party, that's not supposed to fear dance. Not supposed to fear dance. As I come with my brother, give me dance. You ain't already when something starts, you don't hurry to dance. How you do you dance? You just got a lot inside and so. Oh, you're my biggest motivation. I saw my biggest motivation. I saw my biggest motivation. I saw my biggest motivation. I don't 2 seconds of the motivation.
Concerts, the ring I want use lines keep pressing. Now Yaba left patient when now they take him messing. He just they blow anyhow like ref when don't pep. Rappers they dress when I come. But this Bobrisky said, I sing. Shut up with a smoke rock. If it pay you get the strap or cock. Worry crisis begin when not they fear nothing. Come worry now allow we tell the anchor thing. I worry past begin when I shower upon gifting. Call them with Shakoro uncle and sass relative. Coco not no say where they go far where. So you carry on water, tap far where. Head this or no head this, I'm sure you press men know I'm a bigger problem than the Fulani X-Men. But many I be like pastor wife when love blue him. The love a ringer go sketch to us or sketch with him. Oh God, if you not know God, no insult devil. Celebrate paper boy, now not be when he don't let go.
Oh na 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 na. God bless my brother Judah. Lord, now you're on that day. Straight bread for grace. Oh. Baba, now you're hungry day. We still pray for grace. Oh, Oluwa,
my baby.
Until this morning.
No one take the same step when I take last year. Some people don't understand. You get some mumu step where we don't take. We don't want to repeat them again. Ah, God. You get some people where you don't show up, where put you for problem last year. You won't show them again. You get some stingy boyfriend where you don't show them. And then they get a drop. You won't friend them again. Say no to stingy boyfriend. I don't see how they born some boys came over this place, but I don't care. Ocean free, say see oh see Ocean free, say see Ocean free, say see Ocean free, say see pay me my money. Lord, now your heart be there. We see them pray for grace, oh, for grace. Baba, now your heart that day. I still they pray for grace, oh, for grace. I said small worry boy wait there for you yesterday. This time last year I don't get passport. That same small worry boy, now God don't bless today. And people carry camera they wash. Whoever thought I would come this far, I mean they tell them the story, but it be like feet for their eyes. So, and for those kele where they use me play, how it gon' be? Now when the boy down they ride on the bench, so for those people where they tell me no, I don't get problem with you now. Now when I study, they give me motivation, no. Oh no, I go for plenty auditions, so from Project 10 to Nigeria Idols, from Glow Naija Sing to all of them, I attend 23, but I only 2 that win. Even the 2 said they don't give me money. You get plenty things where I go start to talk, oh. I don't mind if I offend you tonight, my brother, forgive me, yeah. I remember back then for Jamba Road, for worry, some men for hear them know. Victor Eddy, now they carry blockade. 200 bag of cement in a day, no be joke. From there we go still go to live band. Now for there them give me red eye, yeah. For us, you know they sleep, what's the approve? It's a spiritual something, I don't know. You got some things where they my mind where I won't talk. You got some story where they my head I won't share. Another week say you feel in my shoes as you they listening to me, brother. I'm getting emotional. I'm not gonna cry tonight. But even if I cry, now tears I'm trying, brother. And as I they laugh. And they laugh away my sorrows. And as you come here today, that's how God will bless you. And I say, I know you anything. And you know me favor, but you come here to support me. Shout out to everybody. And this fine girl for you. I wish I feel marry you tonight. I don't say your boyfriend, they come and you just say, look me, say, guy, if you try. But sometimes I would like to break the rules because I'm a worry boy. Areas! How you do yourself? Now so that they set people up, but break the rules. And forget they will tell me. But I'll get something for my mind. I really want to say God bless you all. Thanks for coming out tonight. No long story. Lord, now your hand are there. I see them pray for grace, oh.
millions I dey pray for, make it dey for my left pocket. God forgive me. It can't sound like say I greedy from Benz to Rolls Royce. Wetin dey happen? But too much money is not enough money. We no dey fear nothing. Black on black, like say I dey one person. But if you open my heart, now white and white. I regard everybody. I'm on this life hard. You know easy, don't let anybody set you up. MJ sits in the building. I want shout out to MJ sits in the building. After I wave that, I said they pay 200 now to perform backstage, and this guy they run out for me. God bless you, man. How should you go into the world? J Black, president in the building, my guy. Hey, Tayo, what's in the happen? I want some people come for what it comes about me. I see people want the entertainment. What worry on our knee. We'll go down to the music, no time to waste. DJ, please, God bless you. Vincent, God bless you. And if I don't call your name, I'm going to forgive me tonight, man. The spiritual service. Oluwa ma gbagbe mi, I won't
get this money.
No one take the same step where I take last year when I want money. Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. Mama, na your hand I dey. I say make you run out for me, Lord, if we don't make money. I wanna work you, if we don't want the message we get. I say I wait till we get. If I don't get it, don't wait till I get. I said I wait till we get. If we don't make money, wait till we Lord, you don't see me and you don't know. Make you manifest, oh, on search, you know. This street, I'm a girl who wants to pass it, manifest, oh. Now your dreams are better than even if you play a part and defense, oh. And I thank you, Lord, so everyone at the cast to sing it in the dollar. Don't make me success, oh. If not be beauty, and here you be, I'm a money in trouble. This music now by grace, no who sing past the blow. Yes, so.
As I dey here today, Lord, don't forget me, oh. Don't forget my people. As you bless me, you bless them, oh. This song don't take us to the guys. You say one song take us to Europe. Now the same song take us to Malay. Now the same song take us to Otsu Arena. You shut down, God bless you.